Want to make a huge impact on any room without spending a lot of money? That's a job for paint.
I'm Angela Niesel, the National Director of Interior Design at Pulte Group. I've been a designer for 15 years and have seen interior design trends come and go. But there's one decorating tool my team strongly leans on, and that is the power of paint. Paint is a powerful way to transform a room without breaking the bank. Paint can brighten up a space or make a statement.
Here are 6 designer paint tips. Test colors with paint swatches, explore color palettes, find a color you love, create an accent wall, think outside the box, and try stripes and patterns. First, before painting an entire space, make sure you love your selection
by taking the time to paint a small swatch on your wall. Small paint chips really don't give you all the information you need. Painting swatches allows you to see how the paint works in that room. Look at it at different times of day so you see how it works in the different light your home is exposed to.
Explore color palettes to see which colors work best with each other.
Here are some important factors to consider. First, start by selecting the color tones you like best. Do you like warm, cool, or neutral tones? Warm colors tend to be orange, red, and yellow. Cool colors are your greens, blues, and purples. Mixing warm colors with warm colors and cool colors with cool colors is a good way for someone who might not be confident with color coordination to get comfortable. Neutral colors like tan, cream, taupe, and gray can work well with both cool and warm tones. Depending on the look you're going for, you can play it safe by using colors within the same family found on the color gradient card at the paint store. If you're comfortable taking a risk, try pairing complementary colors to show contrast in an interesting way. If you dare to be bolder or high contrast is more your style, identify a color you love. If that's a challenge, look around your home for something that's meaningful and you tend to be drawn to. Maybe a family heirloom or a textile in the space. Use that as your inspiration to set the color scheme. Keep in mind that the bolder the color, generally the less glossy of a paint you should use, so you don't see brush strokes. If your room feels too bold, you can add white or lighter tone drapes to provide visual relief.
Create an accent wall to make a dramatic statement.
First, choose which wall it's going to be. Keep in mind, as you walk into a room, the first wall your eyes are drawn to is generally considered the best accent wall. Accent walls can range from a shade that plays off the current colors in your space, or you can make a bolder statement in the room. Don't be afraid to think outside of the box and paint the inside of a built-in, a bookshelf, or even your ceiling, trim, and doors a color that isn't white. It's really up to you. Creating what looks like architectural detail can be easy by incorporating a detail done in accent paint.
From stripes of different tones or sheens to geometric shapes, even stencils. If you have the time and the eye for detail, you can add interest to even the smallest room in your home. Another special effect you can create with paint is an ombre technique. Start with large stripes and blend from lighter to darker. It's a look that's sure to stand out.
I hope this has helped give you an idea of the great things you can do with paint.
For even more inspiration, try our room designer tool or visit a decorated model.